Pakistan Tour of West Indies 2025. First T20 at Central Broward Regional Park Stadium Turf Ground, Lauderhill, Florida. West Indies won the toss, elected to field first. Pakistan 20 overs, 178 runs, lost by 6 wickets. Pakistan team best scorer Sam Ayub, 57 runs, 38 balls. Then West Indies team best bowling spell Samar Joseph, 4 overs, no maiden, 30 runs, 3 wickets taken. West Indies team 20 overs, 164 runs, lost by 7 wickets. West Indies team best scorer Johnson Charles and Joel Andrew, both batsmen score 35. Pakistan team best bowling spell Mohammad Nawaz, 4 overs, no maiden, 23 runs, 3 wickets taken. Pakistan won by 14 runs in this match. Player of the match Sam Ayub. Congratulations Pakistan cricket team.